Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is a quick product overview for one of our BLAU automatic transmission fluid and filter change kits. This kit fits the 2002 to 2018 Sprinter 2.7 liter diesel, 3 liter diesel, and 3.5 liter gasoline models that came equipped with the 5-speed automatic transmission, also known as the 722.6, 5G-Tronic, or NAG1 transmission. In this kit, we include 8 liters of the Revenol M9 synthetic transmission fluid, a transmission filter, transmission pan gasket, the transmission drain plug and sealing washer, the torque converter drain plug and sealing washer, and the transmission fluid fill cap security clip. The Revenol M9 is a premium synthetic transmission fluid made and bottled in Germany. This is not a generic or universal transmission fluid. It's specifically made for the Mercedes-Benz 5-speed 5G-Tronic automatic transmission used in the Sprinter models. The Revenol M9's high quality has been confirmed directly by Mercedes-Benz. It carries formal factory approval for the Mercedes-Benz MB 236.14 ATF quality specification. This is the only ATF spec that should be used in the Sprinter 5G-Tronic automatic transmissions. For the transmission filter, pan gasket, and related hardware, we use OEM German components that will allow for the exact same fitment and function as the genuine components. So that is a quick product overview for one of our BLAU transmission fluid and filter change kits for the Sprinter models that came equipped with the 5G-Tronic 5-speed automatic transmission. If you have any other questions or for more information on the products that we do carry for the Sprinters, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at blauparts.com. Thanks for watching.